Okay, everyone, I'm back. Last week's video, I did some tree cutting. As I was doing that, my chain fell off the bar, so now I'm going to reinstall it. Hopefully that there's no burrs on the drives under here, right here. So I'm going to take this apart and figure out what I need to do, and I'll go from there. And I'm going to clean it up a little bit to make sure everything's cleaned out and not clogged up and things like that. Like I said in the previous video, I'm a weekender kind of thing with chainsaws, and so I'm learning as I go. I'm 52 years old and I'm still learning, which is nothing wrong with that whatsoever. So I'm going to take this apart, take the chain off, take the bar off, and I'll flip the bar right side up just for wear and tear so it wears evenly. So, all right, let's get to taking this apart. All right, I'm just going to loosen these nuts up a little bit. Well, more than a little bit, completely. So I'll clean these up too. As long as I'm taking them off, I want to make sure everything's all good to go. Clean. I'm not going to get it 100% clean. It's going to end up getting dirty once again anyways. It's a good little Saturday project. And I may go back outside after this is all said and done, depending on what the chain is like. So I'll take this off and clean all this up. It's pretty dirty. I'm going to clean that up. Where's my little wrench? I could start my compressor up, but that's too noisy in here. Alright, I got most of it out, most of it cleaned out. So I'm going to take this chain off. And I best make sure I put the chain on correctly, not backwards. Alright, I'm going to clean this off a little bit too. Flip that around. Clean this out too. Yeah, just a little bit of a in-between video, I guess, as far as content. Hunting season's almost over. Crow season's open, but I don't want to do any of that. Crows are pretty smart. Let's see, water trapping is still open. Beaver trapping, otter trapping. I believe muskrat's still open too. So I'm not gonna do all that. Just trying to get transitioning into springtime. We ended up getting quite a bit of snow early in the week. Yeah, we had a blizzard at the local news station. One of the news stations in Green Bay called it Snowstorm Elsa. I thought it was Evelyn, but I was corrected by a few people. It was Snowstorm Elsa. And we ended up getting like maybe, I don't know, I think we had 2 feet of snow. A good 2 feet of snow. Kind of Saturday of the video before this one here, I cut down those trees and there was no snow at all on the ground. So it's right, yeah. There we go. There. Get back. There we go. Well, it doesn't seem like there's a bird on it. Ah. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe there's one. Alright. I'm going to put this back together. Oh, this chain tightener. There. Still. Okay. I'm going to tighten it up just a little bit more, and I'm going to go outside, start it up, and let her open up a little bit. In case if there is a burr, like he mentioned, I can take care of that. The bar will take care of the burr. And then I'll come back in here and go through and sharpen it. I'm going to see how it cuts. I think it works just fine. So that's kind of a cool thing. Now I'll maybe loosen it up just a little bit, so where there's a little bit of play in there, in the chain and the bar. And then I don't think I'll sharpen it, but maybe I'll go through my other one. This is the one I used last week. It's the Husqvarna 350, and nice little saw. The same as the other one. I have a 450. Plus I have one that my father-in-law had in the cabinet. That's a 135. So yeah, this is basically it. Maybe I'll cut down one of those other ones today yet. I don't know. It's getting to be mid-afternoon already, Saturday. So it's not kind of a wasted day, but it's one of them days where it's like there's a lot of snow left over. I could do something. Maybe I will do something. Maybe I will cut that tree down. Yeah, I think I will. I'll get some different clothes on and get the four-wheeler fired up. I don't know. I can talk myself out of doing things too. All right. Hope you found this little video interesting, informative, or leave a comment down below if I need to do something different. What was really cool, the neighbor's dogs came over when I got back from town, and we got to talk, and he does a lot of stuff with chainsaws. So it's kind of a cool thing that their dogs came over and wanted to greet me and say hi. So now I know I have a neighbor that likes to work on this stuff. So all right, I don't know what I'll do, but it is what it is. So what gets you outdoors? Enjoy the little things. Well, I changed my mind. I'm gonna cut it down. That thing is starting to rot right here. So not good. So I'm going to cut it down. Like I said, I changed my mind. Well, I just made some work for myself, I guess, so I don't know what I'll do with this. There's a lot of cleaning up I need to do in the next coming weeks, and I'm sure you're not looking forward to seeing any more wood cutting videos, but I enjoy doing this. I like being outside, hence the reason why I say what gets you outdoors, and enjoy the little things. This is what I like to do. It gets me outside, do some property management, you know, kind of keep things in order here, making it look good, you know. Doesn't pay to have a, you know, one of them kind of yards. So I'll probably clean this up, this stuff right here, the trunk, and yeah, I don't know, this whole willow tree here kind of sucks. That other one's starting to split up the middle too. I should just take care of the whole thing and be done with it. Plant some more cedar trees here or something. I don't know. Well, if you made it this far, what do you think I should do in this spot right here? Take the whole thing out, plant some more cedar trees, or I don't know. Leave me a comment down below what I could put here after I ultimately take that out. What is your ideas? Put them in the comments. That would be awesome. While you're doing that, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and also when you comment, I guess there's that little hype thing. Hype up my video. I'd really appreciate it. It gives YouTube, makes them realize that my videos are worth something. So, all right. What gets you outdoors? Enjoy the little things.